Dude, fucking Dark Horse? You gotta be kidding me. Yo. Yo. Holy shit, yo. Yo, fucking Dark Horse is crazy. Dude, the seats, it's blue interior. Oh my gosh. Let's see, sound test real quick for you guys. Hold on, sound test. Oh my gosh, dude. Alright, so if you're adding these air ducts to Dark Horse, see it up there. Sick. So you basically have it something like this. Take these two bolts off, take this bolt off, third one, and fourth one. So there's 2, 4, 5 bolts. And that's how it goes. I'm already starting the other side. Quick video, nothing too crazy. So these 2 bolts and then the 3 under. And that's how you put the brake ducts on a Dark Horse. Super simple, nothing too crazy. That's how it goes on. Super easy. That's how you install the air ducts. Both sides are in. And that's it. Show you over here how it looks on this side. This is the driver's side. It's not my car, so I can't really do a traditional video, but that's how it goes. Like, subscribe, comment. Oh man. You know, I couldn't forget you guys start up really quick. Hell yeah. Yo, cause look at the camera in this thing, it's crazy. This next time back. Put this bad girl over here because it's not my car, it's my co-workers. Man, I love this car. This shit is way too nice, dog. I need a look at the fucking e-brake. Got the brake, electric parking brake. I don't want to give this up, man. I don't want to give this shit up.